What's going on, everyone? This is Apollo from Down Down Up Up, your host as always. And today I have just two quick announcements. Number one, today another King of the Ring part is coming out. Hopefully, maybe just like a minute after this, so it's not going to take that long. And two, Battleground is tonight, isn't it? Leave your predictions in the comments if you have any. I'm really looking forward to watching it tonight with my friends. And another reason doing this quick video right now, I'm going to be making another episode of Talk Apollo Talk tomorrow about Battleground. So hopefully how the show goes. The episode might go good. It might just be me ranting. If it was terrible, but it's looking like a good card. So let's hope for the best, right? It should be an amazing show by the looks of it. We got the Shield triple threat. We got Sammy Owens again. Oh, this is going to be such a good pay per view. Come on. And the mystery partner for the tag match. Let's hope it's good. Keep it real. I will see you tomorrow.